Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. Are you in the market for some portable, lightweight, heavy-duty, breathable, and still beautiful lawn loungers to waste away these hot summer days? Then look no further than these loungers from FHVIT. My family is so happy to have these loungers. They've offered us a comfortable place to unwind and relax after a long day. Because of their compact design, these loungers fit perfectly under our small canopy. They have 4 different levels to adjust your seating position, whether you'd like to lay back and take a nap or sit up and read a good book. We are both very pleased with how comfortable they are, even though my husband is 6 foot and I'm 5'3". These were very easy to put together. They came nicely packaged, and with easy-to-read directions, I had them together by myself in just a few minutes. We were also impressed by the durability of these loungers. Because they're made from aluminum, they're easy to move around the yard, and move them we did. We have placed them over by the pool to watch the kids play. We've had them on our deck to catch some sun, or just under a tree to relax. Because of the breathable material, I found that they're very comfortable to sit in and dry out after a dip in the pool. So if you're ready to take your lazy summer days to the next level, then I highly recommend these beautiful lounge chairs from FHVIT. And that's my point of view.